This method that I will show you on this video is something a beginner can use and make $1,500. I mean, on this platform, you can simply just sign up, do little tasks as on the website, and make $1,500. Of course, like I did. I managed to make $150. I managed to make $1,500 within a day as I went on this platform. But before I tell you about this platform, I want to welcome you to Money Heist, where I show you ways of earning money online. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to be notified for new videos like this in the future. Now let me tell you something. I have used this platform, and you know what I will say? Yes, it worked like a charm. How amazing to see your PayPal account updated with money, and sometimes you're in dire need of cash. This here made me $115 by just doing some simple tasks. All you have to do is watch this video. Listen carefully what I tell you, and then you can make easy money. My secret to earning quick and easy money online. On this platform, you can get paid to post on Facebook, view funny slideshows, play different video games, install different apps on your phone or your laptop, complete micro tasks, not big tasks, and answer surveys. The best part about this platform is you can instantly, meaning you can start earning without the requirement of some approval. So that means instantly work without requiring an approval process. You can also cash out your earnings every week from 6 different methods available on site, where one of those methods is crypto. Once again, you get the chance to select how exactly you want to earn money on paid work, playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and creating accounts. This platform is unique from other reward sites because they pay in real cash, not gift cards. Yes, you will receive cash, not some gift card from Amazon or Xbox, nothing like that. They also pay weekly via PayPal with the minimum payout of $10. With the platform, you can get your own dedicated account manager to help you earn as much cash as possible. Like I said, I managed to make $150 within a day's time. Yes, $150. Imagine, just in one day. Go ahead under the description and click the given link and head over to the platform. Next thing is, you should check this platform out. Don't worry, it's not a scam. Just see what they are. Go under the About Us section, check out the FAQs, check the website. I use this platform to earn money, and I realized we can make good sums of money by doing different tasks, and it is easy as pie. So go ahead and register onto the platform with your details such as an email address and, remember, a good password. This will take you directly to the Earn tab. But before we choose to earn, it's better to go into the Settings tab and complete your profile with your details. Click on Update, and now you have updated your profile, which will open more earning opportunities under the Earn tab. If you won't update your profile, there will be some areas that you will not have an opportunity to earn with. Now, under the Earn tab, you will see a Survey tab, a Content tab, Tasks tab, Refer tab, Games tab, Offer Walls tab, an AliExpress tab, and a Sweepstakes tab. I usually choose this Task tab and take on different tasks because those are the highest earning jobs on this site. Yes, although other tabs do offer good earning opportunity, but this tab usually has the best earning methods. They have like sign up or download apps, or you can even use a download upload videos task on YouTube. So different tasks. But hey, choose the tasks that serve you best. And like I said, it's not a scam, rather they pay you really well on these tasks. This is available from all around the globe. And once you are in the platform, you will see different people getting paid. That is under the dashboard. Scroll down and under recent task completions in your region, you will see different names from different countries who have earned money in that certain time. Combining your data entry jobs with these other tasks would quicker get you to reach the payout threshold, that is $10. Could be within an hour. On this platform, you can participate in a daily competition as well, where the top 100 earners win a nice hefty bonus. So make sure to keep in touch with the competition so you can make some good money. So in summary, all you have to do is go on to the link I have mentioned on the description below and head over to the platform. You can use your phone or your tablet or even your computer. Of course, you can use your computer. Once you have signed up using your email address and with a good password, go ahead and update with your correct legal details like your name, your date of birth. Next, head over to the Earn tab. On the Earn tab, click on any tab. Once you choose one of the tabs under the Earn tab, just go below, choose a task that you feel you can do best and start making money online with these simple tasks. Wasn't that easy? I mean, imagine doing different tasks and making $150 within a day and $1,500 as well with minimum effort. I mean, isn't this what we want to do on our free time? Earn easily and simply? Easy money, right? I hope you liked the video. Just make sure to give us a like and a comment below as well. I want you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of videos such as this in the future. This is it for Money Heist, and I will see you next time.